Hi, in this video, we are going to learn about photosynthesis and the uses of glucose. By the end of this video, you'll be able to state the word equation for photosynthesis, describe the process of photosynthesis, and describe the uses of glucose in plants. Okay, so let's start off with explaining what photosynthesis is. Photosynthesis is the process of using energy from sunlight to make sugars. It takes place in the leaves, so chloroplasts in the cells of the leaves are packed with a pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll will absorb sunlight and use it to convert carbon dioxide, which enters the leaf through the stomata, and water, which enters through the roots and gets to the leaf through the xylem, into glucose, which is a simple sugar, and oxygen. Photosynthesis is a chemical reaction that is endothermic, so more energy is taken in by the reaction than given out. Now let's take a look at the equation for photosynthesis. It is carbon dioxide plus water, which will give us glucose plus oxygen. Oxygen is used during aerobic respiration, and glucose is also used during respiration. However, it is also used for other processes or needs. The symbol equation for photosynthesis is also shown. It is CO2 plus H2O, which will give us C6H12O6 plus O2. Remember, it needs to be balanced, so you can do that by remembering there are three sixes which go in front of everything other than glucose, or C6H12O6. Okay, so just to recap, let's go over the key words. Photosynthesis is the process of converting sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen. An endothermic reaction is when energy is transferred from the surroundings or taken in. Chloroplast is the organelle in the cell of a leaf where photosynthesis occurs. Reactants are substances that take part in a reaction, and finally, products are substances that are formed as a result of a chemical reaction. Let's now go through the uses of glucose in plants. Glucose can be used in the process of respiration. This process transfers energy from the breakdown of glucose for heat, movement, and other reactions. Glucose can be stored as starch. It is used to build long chains and stored as starch in roots, stems, and leaves. This can be used in winter when less photosynthesis occurs. Starch is also insoluble, so unlike glucose, does not cause water to be drawn into the cell. Glucose can also be stored as oils or fats. It is turned into lipids for storing in seeds. Glucose is also used in making cell walls. It is converted into cellulose to build strong cell walls, and it can also be used in making amino acids. Glucose is combined with nitrate ions to build amino acids, which can be used to build proteins. Now you should be able to state the word equation photosynthesis, describe the process of photosynthesis, and describe the uses of glucose in plants.